oceans. There are 7 continents. And Asia is the biggest continent, and our India is a part of Asia. India is a part of Asia. Asia, A-S-I-A, Asia. And it is the 7th largest country. These continents are further divided into countries, and there are many big and small countries, and our India is the 7th largest country in the world. It is the 7th largest country in the world. Do you know how many people live here? Yes. It is more than 100 crore people live here. How many people? More than 100 crore people live in our country. It is the most populated country after China. That means it is the 2nd most populated country in the world. China stands in the 1st place in population, and our India is the 2nd most populated country. It is one of the most beautiful countries in the world. Most beautiful countries in the world. Why it is said it is the most beautiful? One of the most beautiful countries in the world. We will see why it is said like this. Can you see the map here? This is our India map. The land here is not the same everywhere. Throughout the country, the land is not the same everywhere. We can find mountains, plains, deserts, then plateaus, then islands also. We will see them one by one. First we will see the mountains. Do you know what mountain is? Yes, it is not said everywhere. We have mountains. The landforms. We have different landforms. Mountains, plains, then plateaus. P-L-A-T-E-A-U-S, plateaus. Then deserts, and also we have islands. What are the different landforms we can see here? Mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts, and islands. We shall see one by one. Mountains. Mountains are the steep area. Mountains are portions of the earth. Mountains are portions of the earth that rise steeply from the surrounding area. From the surrounding area. That means if the surrounding area is like this, mountains will be like this is mountains. And there are, if the mountains are in a chain, we call them as mountain ranges. Mountain, and this is a chain of mountains. A chain of mountains is called mountain range. Chain of mountains. What do we call it as? Mountain ranges. What is a mountain, children? Mountains are portions of the earth that rise steeply from the surrounding area. From the surrounding area, if the land rises steeply, this is called a mountain. And if there are chain of mountains, we call them as mountain ranges. And you can see such mountain ranges in the northern part of our India. We can see the mighty Himalayan ranges in the northern part of India. In this picture you can see them. Along the north of the country we can see the Himalayan mountain ranges. What is the spelling of Himalayan mountain ranges? Himalayas. Himalayan. Himalayan mountain ranges. It is in the northern part of our country. Himalayas is in the northern part of our country. And you can find some of the highest peaks in the world. This green color one here, this is the Mount Everest. It is the part of the Himalaya, lies part, but this Himalayan ranges start from India, it covers China, and it is extended to Nepal, Bhutan. These Himalayan ranges lies in India, Nepal, Bhutan, and China. And some of the highest mountain peaks lie in this Himalayas, which is the one Mount Everest. Mount Everest is in the Himalayan ranges. You can see the Mount Everest. What is the height of the Mount Everest? 8,840 meters. By feet, 29,028 feet. And these peaks are covered with snow throughout the year. These mountains in the Himalayan ranges are covered with snow throughout the year. Many rivers arise from, big rivers arise from these Himalayan mountains. Which are those? Ganga, Yamuna, the Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra starts from these Himalayan mountains, and these rivers are fed throughout the year from the snow of the mountains. Even in the hot summer months also, these rivers have full of water. They flow full of water. And coming to the lower part of these Himalayan ranges, that means towards the south of the Himalayan ranges, lies the thick forest. Thick forest, and this region is called as Terai region. T-E-R-A-I. Terai region. In the chart, I will show you. These are the Himalayan mountains, high Himalayan mountains. Coming to the lower part is the Terai region. This is the thick forest you can find over here. And you can see the big rivers start from the Himalayas. This is the Ganga. And this is the Yamuna. Brahmaputra starts from here, and that's here. The three big rivers start from Himalayas. The Ganga, we call it as Ganges also, and Yamuna and Brahmaputra. It starts from the Himalayas and flows down here. Many smaller rivers also join these main rivers. Many small rivers also join these rivers. So these are the three main big rivers that start from the Himalayas. And the lower region from the Himalayas, it is called as Terai region, and it is thickly populated. This is all about mountains, and we will see the plains. Next is plains. Plains are a vast expanse of space. Plains are a vast expanse of space. Expanses of flat or gently rolling land. Flat or gently rolling. Gently rolling is slight up and down the land. You can see over here. It will be plain or little variations you can find, and this region is to the south of the Himalayas. This region. Below the Terai region is the plain lands, and we call it as northern plains. Northern plains are the Gangetic plains where these Ganga, Yamuna flows. The main rivers that flow in the northern plain region or the Gangetic plains are Ganga and Yamuna. Which rivers flows, children? Ganga, the Ganga and Yamuna river flows here. And the soil is very fertile. As these rivers flow, the soil is most fertile and it is suitable for the cultivation. It is very good for cultivation, and wheat is the main crop grown here. Wheat is the main crop grown here. As it is very fertile, many crops can be grown, and it is thickly populated. Wherever availability of food is there you can find population, more population. In the Gangetic plains, wheat is grown more and it is thickly populated. You can see many big cities like Varanasi. This is Varanasi on the bank of the river Ganga. Like this, many big cities are situated on these banks. And coming to the climate, it is very hot in summer. In the plain region, it is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. Cold in winter. And in the Himalayas, it is very extremely cold. Today we have learnt about mountains and plains. In the next class, we shall learn about the different plants.